Have you ever wondered what happens to a locked door when the one who holds every key decides to walk toward it? That is exactly what is happening right now. Not someday, not when your life looks cleaner, but in this very moment. I am moving toward every door that has been sealed against you, every relationship that felt frozen, every dream you quietly buried because it hurt too much to keep hoping. It wasn't your fault. The heaviness you've been carrying was not natural. It wasn't something you brought on yourself through ordinary human weakness. It was a weight placed on your life without your permission. I never designed your story to end at a locked door. While I closed some doors for your protection, I am here today to address the doors that were closed by something other than my hand. Tearing out the roots. I am not just making adjustments. I am not negotiating with what has worked against you. I am tearing out by the roots every curse, every generational weight, and every spoken word from those who had no authority to determine your future. When a root is removed, the soil becomes available for what should be there. You will feel the difference, not all at once, but as a gradual warming, a series of small evidences that the conditions of your world have fundamentally changed. Reframing your history. You've carried a narrative that says closed doors are proof of your deficiency. Let me dismantle that piece by piece. You aren't someone for whom things just don't work out. Every long season of waiting wasn't a sentence of divine disappointment. It was preparation. I was building someone specific, with a specific function. The adversary recognized who I was building long before you did. You weren't targeted because of your weakness. You were targeted because of your significance. The great reversal. Here is the beauty of belonging to me. You carry the capacity to be transformed by the very things designed to destroy you. The wound becomes your credential. The loss becomes the foundation of a compassion that can reach people the undamaged cannot reach. The very area where the opposition was most concentrated will become, in my hands, your area of greatest fruitfulness. Breaking the spirit of scarcity. You have lived with a constant background anxiety about whether you will have enough. I am a father whose resources are unlimited and whose storehouse is never empty. I am clearing the channels of provision that were being choked. This is not abstract. It has practical consequences in your material life. Hold your hands open. This is the physical expression of the choice to stop bracing for disappointment and start receiving the full, generous flow of a door that stands wide open. My words versus their words. People have spoken verdicts over you that were not from me. I am removing those words today. My words over you have not changed. You are wanted. You are known. You are gifted. You are not too much in the places where they said you were too much, and you are not too little where they said you weren't enough. You are exactly who I made. Your scars are not your story. They are your proof. Why now? You might ask, why now, after the long season of sealed doors? It wasn't arbitrary. A key turns when the lock is ready, not just the person holding the key. I was preparing the space on the other side of the door while I was also preparing you. These two moments have met with perfect precision. The waiting was purposeful. It was the backstage activity that precedes the opening of the curtain. Step through the door. I am walking toward your locked doors right now. Every key is in my hand. And I am opening every door that was never meant to stay closed. Walk through with me. The ground will hold. The door will not close while you are walking through it. This space was prepared for you, built to your dimensions, and furnished with what your calling requires. Amen.